How to fix PS5 not turning on. Let's get started. Are you facing the dreaded issue of your PS5 not turning on? Don't worry, we have got you covered with our comprehensive troubleshooting guide. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your PS5 up and running again. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure your PS5 is plugged directly into the wall socket. Avoid using power extenders or surge protectors. This ensures a stable power source. Next, verify if the wall outlet is working. Try plugging in another device to confirm. If it's functional, proceed to the next step. If your PS5 still won't turn on, disconnect all cables from the console and let it sit for a minute. Then reconnect all cables securely. Sometimes the power button may be stuck or unresponsive. Press it multiple times to ensure it's registered. Also try inserting a disc to trigger automatic startup. If your PS5 turns on but there is no display, enter safe mode by following these steps. Hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Connect your controller and adjust video output settings. If you have tried all these steps and still faces issue, consider clearing the cache or rebuilding the database in safe mode. As a last resort, you may need to reset your PS5, but be aware that this will erase all data. Hopefully, one of these methods helps you resolve the startup issues with your PS5. If you're still stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to Sony support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.